Hi guys, it's Peter Kingston here. So now we have officially launched. The coupon codes are available now. So we are on my dashboard of WeShare Abundance. Here we go here. So we have my affiliate link and the coupon code is actually attached to it. So I have 11 in my downline now and have given away one coupon code. So they are available. If you find this on YouTube, just pick up the link, help yourself. You can give away free codes and earn a minimum of $15. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm Peter Kingston. Enjoy your day.